Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in digital marketing with Sprout Social, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in digital marketing with Sprout Social, start by creating an account on their website. Choose a pricing plan that suits your business needs and budget. Once registered, log into your Sprout Social dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the platform interface, where you'll find tools for publishing, monitoring, analytics, and engagement. Begin by linking your social media accounts to Sprout Social. This allows you to manage multiple platforms from one centralized location. Next, explore the content calendar feature to plan your posts strategically. Use the publishing tools to create engaging content tailored for your audience. Make use of the scheduling options to post at optimal times for engagement. Monitor social media interactions in real time using the inbox feature. Respond to comments and messages promptly to foster community engagement. Dive into the analytics section to track the performance of your posts. Focus on key metrics like engagement rates, reach, and audience demographics. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve future campaigns. Experiment with different types of content, from images and videos to polls and stories. Take advantage of Sprout Social's reporting tools to generate insights on your overall. Use these insights to adjust your advertising budget and allocate resources effectively. Consider utilizing Sprout Social's paid promotion tools to boost high-performing posts. Set clear objectives for your campaigns, whether it's increasing brand awareness or driving website traffic. Regularly review and adjust your strategies based on performance metrics. Stay updated on digital marketing trends to keep your content relevant. Finally, engage with your audience by sharing user-generated content and feedback. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of Sprout Social for your digital marketing investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.